Well, it's not uncommon in our business, in our thinking, to think that springtime might be the best time in many industries. Let's say carpet cleaning. They always run deals in the spring because people have been in and out of their houses, and you want a warm day, let's say, to leave it open to let that carpet dry. It's not so different in the paving business either, the paving industry, is that spring is a really good time. We work in the winter, no doubt. We can do your driveway in January, February, but often people don't want to go outside and look at it and be with that estimator out there outside. So they think about it in March when the sun starts shining again. And we love March around here because it starts warming up. So my advice is to make the call early, schedule your appointment for some time in February or maybe early March when that sun starts shining, because we're a little hungrier for work. We've just been through a few months where the work has not been as much for my crew and that kind of. Everybody's eager to get back to work. So perhaps there's maybe a financial incentive to do that, but you're doing us a favor, and truthfully yourself a favor, to get on the schedule early so that we can get it done early in our schedule. Every year we're always busy in late summer and fall, so don't do it then. Do it early. Do it now.